What is up, guys? In this walkthrough, I'm going to show you how to import your Kraken transactions into Awaken, the crypto tax platform that makes filing easy, accurate, and fast. So Awaken is free to get started, and it already helps track over $3 billion in crypto across more than 500,000 wallets and exchanges. So whether you're trading spot, staking rewards, or diving into Kraken Perpetuals, you're in good hands. If you have any questions while you're watching, feel free to leave comments below, and someone from our team will be sure to reach out. First, log into your account at awaken.tax, and if you're new, signing up takes less than a minute. Once you're inside the dashboard, head over to Accounts tab on the left-hand side. This is where you can keep track of all of your wallets and the different exchanges that you trade on. To add your Kraken account, click Add Account in the top right corner, search for Kraken, and hit Connect. Now, to sync your data from Kraken, you'll need to create an API key. So Kraken doesn't currently offer full file exports that include everything Awaken needs. So this step is important, but don't worry, it's quick and it's easy. Here's how to do it. Go to pro.kraken.com and log into your account. Once you're in, click your profile icon in the top right corner, then go to the settings page. From there, navigate to the connections and API tab. You'll see a button that says create API key. Go ahead and click on that. When you're creating the key, there are just 3 permissions you need to enable: query, query closed orders and trades, and query ledger entries. That's it. Don't check any of the other boxes. These settings give Awaken read-only access to your Kraken data so that we can pull in your full trading history and generate your tax report. We won't be able to trade, withdraw, or do anything on your behalf. It's completely secure and strictly for tax purposes. Once you've generated your key, Kraken will give you 2 things: an API key and a private key. Copy both. Head back to Awaken and paste them into the form and click Connect. Awaken will begin importing your entire Kraken transaction history, including spot trades, deposit, withdrawals, staking rewards, and yes, even perpetuals. Everything gets normalized, labeled, and synced with your tax profile in real time. After the sync is complete, you'll be able to review all of your transactions right inside Awaken. We'll flag anything that's unusual, like missing cost basis, transfers from unknown wallets, or large unrealized gains, so that you can fix them before generating your report. When you're ready, head over to the tax report section, select your tax year, click Generate Report, and you'll get everything that you need for TurboTax or any other tax software that you use. And that's pretty much it. I mean, Awaken makes it simple, fast, and accurate to file your Kraken taxes, even if you've got hundreds of trades. And if you need help at any point, our support team is ready to walk you through it. Just visit awaken.tax/support. Thank you guys for watching, and good luck this tax season.